your car's personal bodyguard. 4K clarity, 24/7 protection, zero nonsense. Tired of grainy, useless dashcam footage when it matters most? The 70mm A810 4K dashcam delivers crystal clear, cinema-grade video with the powerful AMX678 Starvis 2 sensor, ensuring every license plate, road sign, and reckless driver is captured in razor-sharp detail, day or night. With My Color Vivid Plus Solution, MVS, HDR, your footage stays balanced, vibrant, and glare-free, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're on a scenic road trip or need rock-solid proof in an accident, this dashcam doesn't miss a beat. Because when the truth matters, clarity is everything. Unlike basic dashcams that only capture the front, the A810 comes with a full rear camera, because threats don't just come from the front. Catch tailgaters, reckless bikers, and parking lot mishaps with 150 degrees wide-angle dual-channel recording. And let's not forget the Advanced Driver Assistance System, ADAS, which acts like a digital co-pilot, alerting you to lane departures, forward collisions, and unexpected stops. Whether you're driving or parked, this cam has your back, literally. More angles, more awareness, more peace of mind. Leaving your car unattended? No problem. The A810's AI-powered parking monitor detects movement and automatically records suspicious activity, so you'll always know who dinged your door or tried to mess with your ride. Pair it with the optional 4G LTE module, and you'll get real-time alerts straight to your phone, keeping you in control even when you're miles away. Time-lapse recording condenses hours into seconds, so reviewing footage is a breeze. Ditch the paranoia, your car is always watched. No more fumbling with SD cards or waiting hours to access footage. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi let you preview, download, and edit videos straight from your phone via the 70My app. Track location, speed, and routes, making this a must-have for road trips, ride-sharing, and insurance claims. Plus, with loop recording and emergency lock, you'll never run out of storage. Old footage is automatically overwritten unless it's an important event. Smart, seamless, stress-free operation, because technology should work for you, not against you. Some dash cams feel like cheap toys. This isn't one of them. Designed for all vehicles from sedans to trucks, the A810 is built with premium materials to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and long hours on the road. Customers rave about its top-tier build quality, easy installation, and superior reliability. While some dashcams struggle in low light or fail when you need them most, this beast captures every detail, every time. If you want a high-performance, professional-grade dashcam that won't let you down, this is it. Drive smarter, safer, and with total confidence.